The nature it's all about that the humans then do. They can be about the trees, the grass, the flowers, and many other things. But the humans are getting it off. They are destroying all the nature.
This road I've been given, I sit and talk to God.
The water. The water is the first part of the life. If the world don't have water, the animals and the humans can live. Maybe the world, if they don't have water, maybe the world will be as fair like a desert, with any animals and any people.
The trees are a very important part of nature. They are elemental of life. Unfortunately, the human cut them to get their wood. But the human doesn't have sense about what important are the trees. So we are losing them. They're in danger.